Ever heard about the miracle material graphene? Well, buckle up, as we're about to embark on a fascinating journey into the world of this wonder substance. One atom thick, yet stronger than steel. Transparent, yet conducts electricity. This isn't a page out of a science fiction novel, folks. It's the reality of graphene, born from the humble graphite. Yes, the same stuff in your pencil. Graphene is stirring up a storm in the scientific world. Its extraordinary properties are making scientists and innovators sit up and take notice. They're calling it the miracle material, and for good reason too. From revolutionizing electronics to transforming medical science, graphene is poised to change our world in unimaginable ways. But what makes it so special? What are its magic-like properties? And how can it shape our future? Stay tuned to learn more about this extraordinary material. So what exactly is this miracle material, graphene? You might be wondering. Well, let's delve right into it. Graphene, my friends, is a revolutionary material that has taken the scientific world by storm. It was first isolated in the year 2004 by two scientists at the University of Manchester, Andrei Geim and Konstantin Novoselov, who later received the Nobel Prize in Physics for their groundbreaking work. But what makes graphene so special, you ask? Its unique structure is the key. Imagine a sheet of carbon atoms, each atom linked to its neighbors to form a pattern that looks like chicken wire, or more scientifically, a honeycomb lattice. This arrangement is what gives graphene its incredible properties. Now, the most interesting thing about graphene is that it's a two-dimensional material. Yes, you heard that right. Two-dimensional. It's as thin as a material can possibly get, literally just one atom thick. This makes graphene the thinnest compound known to man, and yet, it's also one of the strongest. Graphene is not just about strength and thinness, though. Its two-dimensional structure allows electrons to move about freely, at speeds unheard of in other materials. This means graphene has a high electrical conductivity, a property that could revolutionize the electronics industry. It's also incredibly flexible, transparent, and it's a superb heat conductor. In fact, it's such an excellent conductor of heat that if you were to place a single flake of graphene on an ice cube, the ice would melt almost instantly. In essence, graphene is a single layer of carbon atoms, tightly packed into a two-dimensional honeycomb lattice. It's a material that's as fascinating as it is promising. A miracle material that could redefine the future of technology and science. So as we journey further into the world of graphene, prepare to be amazed by its potential and the possibilities it holds for the future. Why do we call graphene a miracle material? Well, let's delve into its magical properties to find out. Imagine a material so strong that it would take an elephant balanced on a pencil to break through a sheet of it. That's graphene for you. It's about 200 times stronger than the strongest steel, yet it's incredibly lightweight. That's because it's a two-dimensional material. Yes, you heard that right. It's only one atom thick, thin enough to be essentially considered two-dimensional. This thinness, paired with its strength, makes graphene an incredibly light and durable material. Now let's add another feather to graphene's cap, its conductivity. Graphene is an excellent conductor of both heat and electricity. In fact, it conducts electricity better than copper, a material we've been relying on for electrical conductivity for centuries. And when it comes to heat, it outperforms all other known materials. This means that graphene could revolutionize industries that demand high heat and electrical conductivity, from electronics to energy. But the magic of graphene doesn't stop there. It's also transparent, absorbing only 2.3% of reflecting light. This property could be pivotal in evolving technologies like touchscreens, solar cells, and maybe even some yet-to-be-imagined tech marvels. Finally, let's not forget its flexibility. Despite its strength, graphene is incredibly flexible and can be bent, twisted, and even folded without breaking. This combination of strength, flexibility, and lightness could open new doors in the production of wearable technology and flexible electronic devices. With such exceptional properties, strength, lightness, conductivity, transparency, and flexibility, graphene truly earns its title as a miracle material. Its potential is vast and the applications are limitless. From revolutionizing electronics to transforming energy storage, the magic of graphene is just waiting to be harnessed. You might be wondering, where can we use this miracle material? Well, the answer is almost everywhere. Graphene, with its unique properties, has a host of practical applications and future prospects that span across various fields. Let's start with electronics. Graphene's exceptional electrical conductivity and thinness make it a promising candidate for next-generation electronic devices. Imagine ultra-thin, flexible, and incredibly powerful smartphones or laptops, all thanks to graphene. Energy sector is another area where graphene shows immense potential. It could revolutionize the way we store and generate energy. For instance, graphene-based batteries could potentially outperform current lithium-ion batteries, offering faster charging times and longer lifespans. Similarly, graphene solar cells could convert sunlight to electricity more efficiently, leading us towards a more sustainable future. Now, let's talk about medicine. The biocompatibility of graphene opens up fascinating possibilities in biomedical applications. It could be used in targeted drug delivery, improving the efficacy of treatments and reducing side effects. Graphene-based biosensors could detect diseases at an early stage, potentially saving millions of lives. In the realm of material science, graphene could be used to create super-strong, lightweight materials. Picture airplanes that are lighter yet stronger, leading to fuel savings and reduced emissions. Or imagine skyscrapers built with graphene-infused concrete, standing taller and lasting longer than anything we've seen before. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. Graphene's potential applications extend to fields as diverse as water purification, environmental monitoring, and even space exploration. However, while the future prospects of graphene are exciting, they are not without challenges. Realizing these applications will require overcoming hurdles related to the production, manipulation, and integration of graphene. But with ongoing research and technological advancements, it's only a matter of time before we see more of graphene's miracle in our everyday lives. The possibilities for graphene are wide and varied, making it a material full of potential. So let's keep our eyes on this miracle material as it shapes the future. As we approach the end of our journey, it's important to address the challenges ahead for graphene. While this extraordinary material has shown immense potential, its production and application are not without difficulties. One of the biggest challenges in graphene's story is mass production. Despite its abundance in nature, isolating single layers of graphene from graphite is a complex and costly process. Scientists are tirelessly working on developing new methods to produce graphene in a cost-effective and efficient manner, but we're not quite there yet. Another challenge is the potential environmental impact. The production of graphene can result in the generation of hazardous waste and the use of harmful chemicals. It's crucial that as we forge ahead in our quest to harness the power of graphene, we also remain mindful of our responsibility to protect the environment. Additionally, while graphene's properties are indeed miraculous, integrating it into existing systems and products is not a straightforward task. It requires a deep understanding of the material and innovative engineering solutions, which can pose significant hurdles. But let's not forget the incredible journey we've taken today. Graphene, this miracle material, a single layer of carbon atoms arranged in a two-dimensional honeycomb lattice, has the potential to revolutionize our world. From its extraordinary strength and conductivity to its transparency and flexibility, graphene's properties have opened up a world of possibilities in various fields, including electronics, energy, and medicine. Yes, there are challenges, but every great scientific discovery has faced obstacles. It's these challenges that push us to innovate and discover. They drive us to learn, to experiment, and to create. And in the face of these challenges, the scientific community's enthusiasm for graphene has not waned. Instead, it has sparked a global race to unlock its full potential. Despite the challenges, the promise of graphene continues to excite scientists and innovators all over the world, and as we continue to unravel the mysteries of this miracle material, who knows what incredible discoveries await us in the future? Still with us? Then you're as fascinated by graphene as we are. This miracle material has the potential to revolutionize our world, and we're only just scratching the surface. If you're as intrigued as we are, why not hit that like button? It helps us reach more curious minds like yours. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit subscribe. We've got plenty more where this came from, and we wouldn't want you to miss out. Feel free to share this video with your friends, family, or anyone else who might be interested in the wonders of graphene. We also love hearing from you. So, if you have any thoughts, questions, or ideas about graphene, don't hesitate to drop a comment below. Your input helps us create more engaging and informative content. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next videos.